Hi guys, COD Community here. So guys, we're just going to be doing a batch attack video because my sister's using the plug to the Xbox thing, so I can't plug it in today, so I'm just going to be showing off some of these cards. Some of them are plain, some of them are shinies, so let's get started. The first one I want to show is this one. This one's Ross Barkley. Not very good, but I've got him in. I think I'll get them, like all of them. I've actually left some of them in my room, but my sisters are having an argument. So I've just got these two. I've got the two doubles, both the same stats as you can probably see. Just plain Ross Barkleys. The next one is this one. What's his name? Francis Coquelin. I just want to say I can't pronounce names, so sorry if I offend any of you. But that one, the defense 71, attack 50, speed 69, tackle 73, power 70, shoot 51, skill 72, and pass 73. KSI, lol. The next one is Jack Wilshere, Arsenal. Defense 69, attack 76, speed 74, tackle 63, power 68, shoot 70, skill 80, pass 85. The next one, we've got another Arsenal player, and this one's it's Mertesacker. Defense 83, attack 39, speed 54, tackle 83, power 85, shoot 26, skill 38, and pass 65. So here we've got a shiny. This one's a record breaker. This was Gareth Barry. It's like a rainbow shiny. Defense 81, attack 75, speed 75, tackle 84, power 81, shoot 73, skill 76, and pass 83. So these two I'm just going to share together, those and the Dust Cities. I've got Liverpool and Swan City in the Dust. Good for in the game, they don't really play or out. The next one's Les Fernando. Defense 37, attack 90, speed 82, tackle 33, power 81, shoot 90, skill 84, and pass 74. 74. So here I've got a 101 card. Try get it. Comment if you know what it is. Pause the video now and go do it. So if you've done that, it is Daniel Sturridge 101. This one is 101 speed and basically 101 everything. But Daniel Sturridge isn't even that good, so that card. So I've got a couple doubles. I've got Phil Jagielka and Swivlion Distin, and together their defense is 93 and their attack is 41. Their speed is 77. Their tackle is 94. Their power is 87. Shoot 35. Skill 49 and pass 76. So now I've got Jermaine Defoe. So I've got him. I'm not going to say the stats because it's wasting time. So him. So, when my sister comes up, I can't speak, but as you can see, it's still broad daylight. It's a bit shiny. So now I've got this one. I'm not going to say the stats because you have got eyes, so you can read them. So I've got that one. That face though. I've got these two. I need to show you this one. Right, so I've just got all of these. I'll put them all out so you can see them, but they're not really that good. So first I want you to see him. These are some of the old cars, Champions League, Championship and stuff like that. So I've got Eric Cantona. I've got David Cianola. I've got Silva Luis Suarez. I've got Erbahal Sodiane. He's a star player. Ugh. I'm not going to show you this card yet, but this is my best card apart from Sturridge. I'll take away that. Can you guess who it is? You probably can't, but it's record breaker Cristiano Ronaldo. So guys, I just want to thank you if you did watch this video. If you enjoyed my videos, definitely go check out the new uploads. Some of them are just introduction videos, but that's it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Also guys, I didn't mention in the video, you could probably see this is not my room. These are not my games, but yet I have that one, the GTA, but I don't have the top one yet. But this is all my brother's. His PS4 and his TV. So I actually got kind of kicked out of my own room because none of my sisters would let me go in. So I had to go in there. So that's why I was in a different setup. And plus I don't support Chelsea.